Hello everyone. Today I will introduce how to access the X100 Pro Web Control interface and give you an overview of the interface. First, use an Ethernet cable to connect the LAN port of the X100 Pro to the computer's network port. Then, change the computer's IP address to be in the same subnet as the X100 Pro. Click on the computer's settings, click on Network Settings, click on Advanced Network Settings, click on More Network Adapter Options. Set the computer's IP address to be in the same subnet as the X100 Pro. The default IP address of the X100 Pro is 192.168.1.10. The demo here is set to 192.168.10.100. Change the computer's IP address to the 10.110 subnet and click OK after the change. Once the IP address is updated, open a browser and input the X100 Pro's IP address, 192.168.10.100. After entering the IP, we will reach the login interface. The default password for X100 Pro login is 123456. Enter the password and click Login to enter the Web Control interface. This interface is the X100 Pro Web Control interface. Next, let's introduce the features of this interface. First, the interface has four main functions: Canvas view, device view, output settings, device settings. Now let's go over each function. First, Canvas view. In this view, you can see a list of signal sources where you can view the connection status of the signal sources. To the right, you'll find buttons for functions like guideline display, freeze, black screen, background image, subtitles, etc. The central area is our canvas area where you can drag the signal to this area for on-screen display. At the bottom, there are options for saved preset scenes and polling scenes. You can view saved preset scenes and polling scenes. Next, device view. In this view, you can see the input and output cards of the device and check the connection status of the input and output cards. Green indicates a connection, gray indicates no connection, and yellow represents a 4K interface. Click on the device to access further settings. On the right side, you can configure signal synchronization, test mode settings, and other operations. Click on a specific input signal interface to adjust signal formats, EDID, brightness, and cropping settings. Click on a specific output network port to configure its region, starting point, and width. Next, output settings. Here you can modify the canvas size, view the connection status of the network ports and video interfaces, and save or import parameters. Finally, device settings. This section is divided into two areas: basic settings and device version. In basic settings, you can modify the device name, change the device's IP address, and restore factory settings. In the device version section, you can view the models of the device's input, output, and control boards, as well as specific version information. You can also upgrade the device's firmware here. This concludes the simple introduction to the X100 Pro Web Control interface. Thank you, everyone.